What is bid and ask?
The term bid and ask refers to the best potential price that buyers and sellers in the marketplace are willing to transact at.
In other words, bid and ask refers to the best price at which a security can be sold and/or bought at the current time.
The bid price.
The bid price is the price that an investor is willing to pay for the security.
For example, if an investor wanted to sell a stock, he or she would need to determine how much someone is willing to pay for it. This can be done by looking at the bid price. It represents the highest price that someone is willing to pay for the stock.
The ask price.
The ask price is the price that an investor is willing to sell the security for.
For example, if an investor wants to buy a stock, they need to determine how much someone is willing to sell it for. They look at the ask price, the lowest price someone is willing to sell the stock for.
Understanding bid and ask.
Bid and ask is a very important concept that many retail investors overlook when transacting. It is important to note that the current stock price is the price of the last trade, a historical price. On the other hand, the bid and ask are the prices that buyers and sellers are willing to trade at. In essence, bid represents the demand while ask represents the supply of the security.
For example, if the current stock quotation includes a bid of $13 and an ask of $13.20, an investor looking to purchase the stock would pay $13.20. An investor looking to sell the stock would sell it at $13.
Example of bid and ask. John is a retail investor looking to purchase stocks of security A. He notices the current stock price of security A is at $173 and decides to purchase 10 shares for $1,730. To his confusion, he noticed that the total cost came out to $1,731. John assumed that it must have been an error. He later realizes that the current stock price of $173 is the price of the last traded stock of security A and that he paid the asking price of $173.10.